How does your favourite song make you feel? Your next favourite song might just be made in the Welsh language. You might be into guitars or grime, hip-hop or harmonies, squeaky beats or big sing-alongs, but whatever gets you grooving, there's Welsh language music you can listen to and fall in love with from the first note. The 4th Dydd Miwsig Cymru, that's Welsh Language Music Day, is the day to help you discover it. Put Friday, 8th of February 2019 in the calendar. It's a day that champions and celebrates the incredible range of music being made in the Welsh language, and the sound is louder than ever before. And wherever you are in Wales, we've got live shows all over the country on the big day. If you're a business that wants to play more Welsh language music, or if you've always fancied putting on your own gig, now's the time to get in touch, and there's help available to make it happen. Wherever you are in the world, there's loads of playlists, everything from acoustic and electronica through to specific lists for places or parties that you can play on Spotify and other streaming services. There's also a best of 2018 Welsh language music album on its way too. Share the love with the hashtag Dydd Miwsig Cymru. Get involved. Your new favourite song might just depend on it.